Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and today I'm bringing you a video on Wix, Wix.com, and it's a website where you can get a free website. You can create your own website from Wix, and it's free. They do have some upcharges if you want to do certain things or if you want certain products within there, but the basic of this website is free. So you go to Wix.com and you can kind of look and see what it says on here while you're on the Wix website. You can go down and kind of look at some samples that they have here, and you can read about Wix on here. It tells you the different options that they have on there as well. So we're gonna go up here and get started with Wix. So to get started, just click here to get started. And I'm gonna go ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. I'm gonna pause and log in. So now we're logged in, and I was just kind of playing around with it earlier, but you can go in here. This is one of my sites right here. I actually use one of my businesses right here. But you just go in and you can go in and create a new site. And it asks you what kind of site you want to create. Business, you can create an online store, photography, music, events, fitness, restaurants. All these type you can, and then you can click other. I'm not sure what's on the other, but you can click that one. So let's go on let's see your business. Now you can let Wix create it for you, or if you're familiar with how to do stuff like this, then you can create your own website with the editor, and they do have templates that you can use and start with. But we're gonna let Wix create a website for you. So we're gonna hit start now. So it says answer a few simple questions and automatically get a website designed just for you. Even when they design the website, you can go in and edit it, make some changes to it, but at least you'll have the basic website with all the images and stuff like that on it. So we're gonna click start now. So it asks you what type of site do you want. You can type in right here, or you can click some suggestions. Is consulting firm, nonprofit, coaching, cleaning service, marketing. Let's see bakery. See what they have on bakery. Wedding bakery. We'll do wedding bakery. Let's see related results bakery. So we'll click next. So it asks you the different features that you want on here. Do you want a chat feature? Do you want an online store, menus, orders? And it gives you different options. And it has more features. What do you want? A blog, events, subscribe form, a thing for reservations, pricing plan, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna not click anything. I'm gonna go to next. It says add your business or website. I'm gonna say Mary's Bakery. It says to import content. You can copy and paste your link, so you can put your links there, and it'll import it. If you already had an existing website, it'll import content, or if you have Google Places, it'll pull over information from there. So I'm gonna skip this. I'm just gonna go to next. So here it has Mary Baker. I can add a logo right here if I wanted to. You enter your email address, your phone number, your fax number, and any social links. You can do that right there, or you can do it within the website. So I'm just gonna click next. So if I want a luxury type, I want a bold looking, classic, clean, you can pick what type you want. So I'm just gonna go for luxury since we're doing weddings, wedding cakes. So now you can pick the type you want. You can pick like use this design. You can use this design. You can use several designs you wanna choose from. But I think I like this one over here for some reason. I don't know. I'm gonna use this design right here. So now I have this big beautiful picture up here. I can change my name if I want to. I can click edit and change my name. I can change the name of these tabs right here if I wanted to. I can also change this. I can change this right here. It says Mary's Bakery, and see that's kind of it don't look good with this background here. So I can change this picture as well. And over here, I can select my design over here. I can change my title. Like I said, I can change my title. But here is going to give you a Wix.com, my site thing. But what you can do is have your domain forwarded to Wix. So if your domain is www.marysbakery.com and somebody type in marysbakery.com, then it'll go to your Wix site. So you don't have to worry about this long Wix name being on there, but it will show up once they get to the site. But you're not worried about that. You just worry about them getting to you. You can change this information over here. The description, rising above the rest, you can change all that. About, you can change it because it says edit, and then you can change the design as well. You can change all this. You can change your pictures. You can make this a big old pretty wedding cake right here if you want to. And you can tell a little about the company. If they want to read more, you can have a link click to it where they can read more. These pictures here could be changed out. All of these pictures right here, your opening hours. You can put your date and time that you're open, when you close. All of that stuff can be changed. All this can be edited. You have a contact us page and you have a map to your location. So everything in here can be edited. It's really quite simple. And once you finish everything, you can click publish. You can preview it. If you made any changes, you can preview it. And if that's what you want, say if I change this to Mary Had a Little Lamb Bakery. So I made that change right there. So now I want to preview it. Let's see what it looks like. And you see Mary Had a Little Lamb Bakery appeared right there. So anything you want to change, you can change everything. And if you want to publish it, if it looks good and everything, you want to publish it, just click on publish. Just because you publish it, if you want to make some changes again later, you can go back and republish it with your changes. But I'm just going to go back here. Going back to the site. If everything is good, you just go back to the site. You want to make some changes, you come in here and make some changes. So I just wanted to show you guys there are other sites out there that you can look at or you can check out that may be free. But since I use a Wix site and I done had one for my company more than since like 2011, 12, I like to refer people back to this because it's easy, it's simple, and it's free. So I just want to show y'all this quick tutorial on how to get a free website from Wix. Again, my name is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. You can find us on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel because I have a lot of videos on there as well. And yeah, that's it. The number is 833-522-0200 if you need to reach out to me. And I also do personal credit as well. So if you need your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.